Welcome to my video. This is my handcrafted LVGL or Light and Versatile Graphics Library based LLM client application running on a M5Stack Tab5. Some time ago, I published a project on Github which creates a Python server running on the M5Stack LLM Module Kit to provide a web interface to interact with the LLM running on the same LLM Module Kit. You can find a link of this project below this YouTube video. I think it will be fun and instructional to create a GUI on Tab5 to interact with the Python server. Of course, Tab5 does not have a web browser. The solution is to use LVGL to create a GUI that can interact with the Python server using WebSocket without having to change the Python server at all. I want to learn the LVGL basics and not use any UI editors such as SquareLine Studio or LVGL Editor. And I want to program in Arduino. And this is the result. You enter the WS URI at the top left hand side text area. So if it's missing the path, for example, I deleted that the /ws, it will tell you that it's a malformed, it's missing a path. So now I'm going to add back the /ws, which is the proper WS URI for talking to the Python server. So now I can connect. Now adding back the /ws is connected. Now we can see that now there's a clear button and the submit button appears. Now I enter the question, which has some typo in it, but it's still like answering. I asked it, well, tell me about the Sydney Opera House. Now this is its response. Still going. Still going. Now it's done. Now I'm going to ask it another question. Tell me about China. Now it comes to the end of the demo. So until the next time, take care.